Hi guys, this is Caitlin. I'm gonna tell you how to make slime because I don't have any of the ingredients right now. All I have is glue, and that's one of the ingredients. So, I'll tell you how to make it right now. Okay, so this is how you make slime with 2 ingredients. This is inspired by Pugs for Life. And please go subscribe to her. And like her videos. So yeah, let's get started. So, the first ingredient that you will need is glue. I think clear glue would work, but just to be safe, I would not do it if I were you. I would make sure if it's okay. So you're gonna need just white regular glue and some Tide detergent, or just Tide detergent. You just need Tide detergent. Same thing. Kind of. And then you mix it, and it will already start to get slime. And after, if you have food coloring, you can put that in. But what I did was that I used markers and colored this. It's like on here. It's like a white, like a kind of clay thing, like kind of clay. It looks like clay on here, but when you look out, it's like yellow. It's like yellow. This is yellow right here. This is yellow. This is yellow. I don't know why it doesn't show it on here, but this is yellow slime. It's like very light yellow slime, but it's not that light on here. Camera. So yeah, that's how you make slime with 2 ingredients. Coloring is optional. Please subscribe to Pugs for Life, and please subscribe to me if you want to be a part of my guinea pig little thingy, because I love guinea pigs. And the reason why the chubby pug, no, not the chubby pug, the Pugs for Life, says pugs in it because that she loves pugs. If you look at her YouTube, her channel, it will show it. It doesn't show like something about pugs, but it shows like a picture of a pug on there with the tongue sticking out. It's laying down. It's like, looks like that it's asleep. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and sorry if this video was a little bit short, and I'll do more slime videos if you comment down below. And yeah, bye guys!